Hello beautiful people, welcome to AnneBetty's kitchen. On today's menu is spicy grilled fish and we are using AnneBetty's spicy green chili sauce. I'll put the link to the recipe in the description box, and also you can find the contact details if you want to buy it. And we are using grouper. Grouper goes so well with this marinade. So let's get started. So I've got 1 teaspoon of lemon juice and 1 teaspoon of cider vinegar, and this helps take the nauseatic smell from the fish. And I've got dill. I've got 3 sprigs of dill, and dill brings out the flavor in fish. So whenever you're seasoning your fish, add dill and it'll be great for you. And I've got 3 cloves of garlic, 1 yellow habanero chili, and about 10 grams of ginger. So all diced up. And this will go to marinate it. And in goes our green chili sauce. So I'm going to pour the rest in. This is about 150 ml. And we add about 2 tablespoons of olive oil, extra virgin olive oil. And salt. You know I love my pink Himalayan salt. So about a tablespoon, of pink Himalayan salt, and we mix. So our marinade is ready, and the fish has been already cleaned. I washed it with lemon juice and vinegar already. It's all clean, and in goes, we are going to marinate all over. So you put some in so that you can taste the marinade in every bite. A red chopping board. It should be blue. I broke my blue. I'll get one. Fish goes with blue. Seafood blue. Okay, so this is one I made last night. So it's better when you marinate overnight. It makes the marinade seep through, and in every bite you can taste it. This is the one I preheated yesterday. It's going to go in the oven, which I preheated for 200 degrees Celsius, and it's going to bake well for 30 to 40 minutes. People, our grilled fish is looking yummy. Yes. And I've created this lovely bed of salad, Mr. Salads, and it's going to go on it. Well, our fish is done. Look at the gorgeous, and it goes well with the green chili sauce, some yam chips, and plantain chips. It's been so well marinated that each bite has it goes well with kenke, with banku, with rice. It's that good. I'm not going to say much, but try it. Try it and leave me your comment what you think. And if you like what you see, give me some thumbs up. Share with your friends so they can enjoy this yummy goodness. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Hit on the notification button so you know first time whenever a new video is uploaded. And thank you so much for staying till the end. So I come your way again next week. Ciao, stay healthy.